Good morning, everyone. Today is February 2nd, 2021, Tuesday. I covered the recap for yesterday and things that are going to happen today and insights for today. All the major indexes regained steam after Friday's sell-off with S&P 500 notches biggest gain in 12 weeks. There was pullback during intraday, but re-entry and stimulus discussion appeared to be giving equities a welcome boost in the afternoon trade. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.76% or 220 points. The S&P 500 was up 1.5%, while the Nasdaq Composite jumped 2.5% yesterday. The Russell 2000 index rose 5% on top of an 8.5% boost in December. Silver has surged about 10% due to short squeeze driven by Reddit traders. Gold rose as well to 1860.50 per ounce, but dipped back slightly afterward. Fein regained lost territory yesterday. Microsoft, symbol MSFT, and Google parent Alphabet, symbol GOOGL, were up about 3.6%. Microsoft hit 52-week high at $239.65. Facebook, symbol FB, and Apple, symbol AAPL, Netflix, symbol NFLX, were slightly up about 1.3%. Tesla, symbol TSLA, jumped about 6% after being upgraded to target price of $1,200. Energy stocks meanwhile turned negative on rising oil prices. Saudi Arabia started to cut production by 1 million barrels a day. Share of NIO dropped while XPeng was up slightly despite report better than expected January sales delivery. VLTX exceeded revenue expectations but fell short on EPS. Earnings per share dropped slightly after our NXPI report revenue of $2.51 billion with earnings per share of $1.08. Earnings per share fell short and the stock fell 3% after hour to 166.25. BP lost $5.7 billion in 2020, its first annual loss in 10 years. Apple tapped that market to raise $14 billion. Earnings expect the Amazon price ExxonMobil BP, which fell short with a loss, and Electronic Arts a highlight. API weekly crude oil stock changes a deal. Asian market were up yesterday. All major futures are positive. Dow is up 0.83%. It is very important for investors to weather the risk during the course of January. Donald Trump insisting he didn't lose the presidential election. While continued protests in different states about election and economic inequities, pace of vaccine rollout and continuous increase of COVID-19 cases, high unemployment rate, astonishing short squeeze aimed at short seller hedge fund by small investor banding together on Reddit, timing extra dollar amount on stimulus, and actual execution of green energy proposal. All these have a really big impact and direction the future of the market in the upcoming weeks. The virus will run for the rest of the year, and so will be the volatility. Today, the market will be very strong with a number of large corporation earnings, including Amazon. I was right about yesterday, and hope today I'll correct again with market continue to strong and rally. And if the good news and corporate earnings continue, your portfolio will be still end very strong with the day, and hopefully the green energy will start moving with some positive momentum as well. Recommendation: I think Saipem and NIO are good to buy from the green energy EV perspective. Green energy, some of them were dropped yesterday, so if you look at that from a technical perspective, you're at a good entry point. You may be able to buy with anticipation of Biden green energy push through, and some stock like Kroger, AMD, and TER, which is in the AI space, and then a lot of China stock because Alibaba is one of them. It's very strong in momentum, so those are good to buy. For future growth. And I know it was Alibaba is, I don't know when, but sometime today, but expected to announce earnings as well. So hope have a great and wonderful day. Everyone make good money.